Tingnan nyo to mga idol. Ang big man ng Barangay Labugon, Earl Sanchez. Talagang bumangga, giba at hindi nagpatalo sa ilalim. Lakas sa katawan, tibay sa depensa at hataw sa opensa. Panalo ang Barangay Labugon kontra Barangay Subangdako sa battle for third place ng Mandawi Unity Cup 2026. Tara, panoorin natin ang kanyang mga galaw.
Finally, Labugon picks up the ball. Double team. Agustin. Classic. 108 remaining. Abalias. Outside to Monte. Down outside to Abalias. Sanchez. Drop pass. Agustin. Yes! May kasama ng backboard. Rosales with 13 on the shot clock. Outside to Bakang. Bakang. Inside. Sanchez. One goal. Sanchez gets it back. Against Mandaban. Sanchez is over under that one goal. Bonino with the rebound. Scramble for the ball. Akawan Buko. Rimaco. Picks it up. Outside Agustin. That's a three. Overcooked it down for the ball. Sanchez winning that rebound. That's a foul for Nano Cabales. 18 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Monte gets it. Back outside. 30 to the shot clock. Sanchez with a jumper that is good. Down by one. Arma Bugod.